What is going on, everybody? It is Chad. Welcome back to the Easy Astro Images channel. Just a quick video for you guys right now. I'm on vacation next week. This week at work has been just crazy, so I haven't been able to spend a lot of time doing videos. But I've been watching some videos in the background, just kind of seeing what's going on. Looks like a lot of people have been dropping like processing videos this week, and they've been some really long ones. And honestly, I haven't been majorly impressed with some of them. Some of them have been awesome. Now, some of the processing videos that I've done get really good, views, which means that I think people really enjoy them, a lot of comments. And those tend to be of the shorter, more direct type of videos, as in, let's see how good of an image that we can get. Now, our goal here is never to worry about getting an APOD. Doesn't mean I wouldn't like to have amazing images, but I think there's other people that kind of do that. And I always want to try to keep us more beginner and friendly type of tailored channel and just kind of keep it that way and have fun and all that stuff. But sometimes the videos might have to get a little bit longer to show some of the details. So I guess what I'm trying to think of while I'm on my staycation here, I've got some really great images that I want to work on, and I want to know what kind of format you guys would like to see. Or do you like the quick and dirty, show your friends and post on social media? Or do you like and go into the more advanced techniques that can yield even better results? Let me know what you guys want. Do you want one, the other, or both? Probably both, which is fine. We can do that. But what I would like to do is take the same image and show and look at what kind of results we can get with, like, say, a quick 10 to 15 minute processing video versus like an hour processing video. But if I know many people can't sit and enjoy a video for an hour. So if that's up to you, let me know. That's all I got for you guys this week. Sorry, no original content, but we are getting back into it, actually starting right now. So we will talk to you guys later. Love you all. Peace.